Oh my god, we're back at Granny. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you can give me good luck and you can have good luck for 1 year. Now let's get in Granny. We're playing for both because they're both idiots and I want to beat them both. I'm dying. Here we go. Alright, so another freaking episode of Granny. They're gonna come? They're gonna come? My boy Grams goes. There goes Granny. Duct tape. Where are you? Alright. Wrench. I will take that. Helicopter manual. Okay. Padlock key, okay. Piece of a painting, okay. Okay. Door lock, okay. I'm finding a lot of stuff right now. That's the important thing. So. Oh, did I just listen? Granny? Granny, I know you and your stinky ass. Freaking old boyfriend. Gonna come here. Get out. Get down. And I see you too, man. I see you too. It's like a good meeting, okay? It's the best meeting, but you just knocked your wife's desk. That's bad. Really bad. Cameras is on. What? Oh, okay. The cameras are on. Let me get that on. Come on, like, get out. Leave. Crowbar, eh? Gimme. Actually, I'm gonna take the picture. Give me the picture. Climb up the ladder. P. Give me that picture. Climb up the ladder. I don't need that. What's over here like? I don't need that. Wait. What picture? Let's remember. Or should I say? Let's grab that. You serious? After all this time, this is how you're gonna be like to me? That scared the shit out of me. Because I didn't saw him. Like, where the f did he came from? I just shit my pants over there. Legit. Beautiful. Alright. Open this. And open that. Grab that. Let's get that. Okay. and make them go even faster and faster and faster. Hello, Mr. Camera. How you doing? What? Hello there. How you doing, camera? My granny? You're gonna die, bitch. You're gonna die. Right now, so you can know. Now you're gonna die. Switching all of a sudden, you piece of shit gay. I know Granny heard that. Yeah. See, I knew it. Bitch. There's everything. Grandpa. Do you, like, not care that you watch it? I see you too, bitch. Well, you gotta go. Your wife. You're gonna be with your wife in heaven. She's in heaven. Open the door. Come up the ladder. Now let's go. To this door. Now let's put this painting over here. Only need another painting which is pretty fucked up, but I don't care. I won't care cause I won't care. I have a bunker. I'm a flunker. I'm a sucker. I'm going to get there. I'm gonna know what am I even talking about right now. Cause I don't know. I'm talking shit. Let's get it. Nothing. What can the last picture be? Oh, wait a minute. Haha, boy. I knew that. Hello there, baby. You're having a good time? I appreciate that. We put the picture up the stairs. Now we go. Up the ladder. Now we go. Up the ladder. Now we go. To here. Now we this. Yeah. Now we need the shotgun. Heck yeah. Okay, probably need the shotgun. Let's go grab the shotgun and get some bullets over here. I needed to make noise. Holy Jesus, that scared it. I thought he didn't saw me. I thought he got through the bed. Jesus Christ, and then we get a Facebook ad. It's awesome. Day 3 is the 3. What did they say? Day 3, that's when the luck starts. I mean, day 3, third time's the charm, okay? Let's do this. Third time is Charmcaster, okay? I don't even know what Charmcaster is, but hey. Okay. I just heard that when my brother and little brother watch cartoons, so I just say that because I don't know even what it means. But I just wait for these two idiots to go. There goes the old bitch. Where's my shot? I see you too. But I gotta go. We can't just see each other all the time, okay? It's illegal to see each other a lot of times. It's illegal, okay? Gimme. Thank you. when the old bitch comes over here. Hello. I'm like a boss over here. Okay. I need it? Yes, I do. My granny, I know you, granny. Hear that. I know you, granny, hear that. So, pick it up! Jesus Christ. Shut the fuck up. Going up. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Okay. But all we need is a fucking helicopter key right now. And gas? Yeah, I think gas. Okay, I already found the duct tape. I already have the helicopter manual. So we need, I think, gas. I'm pretty sure it's gas. Give me. Okay, let's aim for this. Okay. Alright. Okay. We're like haha boys over here, okay? We're like the haha boys. I'm not getting that, I'm not getting that, I'm not getting that, I'm not getting haha boy. Climb up the haha boy. Alright, let's stop making fun of everything. Okay. Got this. Got grenades over there. We need duct tape. My life sucks because of Granny. I really hate that bitch. Day 4, we still did a lot of progress. All we need is a little bit of work and we've done it, okay guys? We've done it. Jesus Christ, my stupid phone! Okay. Alright. There we go. Come on, I don't have time. That's as you go. You go either, you bitch. Killing me every fucking time. Piece of shit. She's a piece of shit. Give me this. Her baby's a piece of shit either. She can't help it. She can't help it with her idiot baby. What the f are you doing there? That's what I want to know. The last day, I don't think we could just make it. But maybe we could just make it. Come on, let's do this. Our power is to get more subscribers. We open that door. We open this door. Then we cut this switch. It does that. Then we hit the switch one more time. Then we go over here. They won't come. Then we hunt. Wait. 1 hour. Then we wait. Wait. 1 hour. Then we wait. Wait. The grandma goes. Wait. Wait. Where's Granny? Granny went. Then we go power. Then we go grow power. Then we go grow our power. There we go. Our power grows. Oh my god, the helicopter's key was over there. Let's just always check a lot of stuff. Let's do that. Oh, we already checked that. What else didn't we check? Of course, we didn't check that the baby probably has it. Behind you, bitch. That's what I call awesome. Where's your boyfriend? Here's your boyfriend, boyfriend. He is a boyfriend. Then he's your boyfriend, but your boyfriend is gonna go bye-bye because you're his boyfriend's a piece of fucking shit. Okay. Alright, now let's go get the last ever. And then let's see if the baby has a fucking gasoline. If not, maybe we'll use the crowbar. Piece of shit baby! Where's this piece of shit baby? Fuck off, Slendrina. Safe key, really? Fuck the safe key, I'm taking it. I'm going to get the crowbar. Maybe it's the crowbar. Okay. Imagine the crowbar right now, it has it. And then we just feel stupid for doing all that shit. Imagine, guys, just imagine it. Maybe in the safe key. Alright, got it. Maybe in the sewers? There's nothing over. Okay, maybe the safe key. I'm pretty sure, confident that right now it has to be the safe key. You were safe. Grandpa, you're gonna make us late. No! No! What is this, a new kill now? What the? Don't you? I'm still not gonna let you guys down. Another game, let's go. Guys, I just glitched Granny. This is awesome. Because now there's only Grandpa. I just glitched Granny. I just went, I go down the window, and I go back, and I didn't know she was here. I quickly hide under the bed, and now she's stuck. I pressed 2 times. I go down to the bed, and then I just pressed again to get out the bed, and now she's stuck. Holy Jesus. Heck yeah. Okay, so Grandpa's glitched either. What the fuck? Okay. This is really... Look at this. He doesn't even see me. This is awesome. Look at their eyes when you kill the freaking baby. Holy freaking Jesus. Okay, I gotta go check on Granny. Let's see. Her eyes. They have red eyes now. Holy Jesus. This is awesome. Give me that safe key. And they can't even kill me. Even better. Okay, guys, let's see. Will you be able to do it with the stronger? It gets back. The final truth. Do you need the gas for the helicopter? Where do you even... Oh, you can. You do, guys. You do. Look at this. Wow, I did not think that you will need the gas for the helicopter. I mean, I do know in real life you need gas, but I don't know in the game you do either. This cool helicopter, we're gonna escape with it. Yay. Heck yeah. Okay, we got this. What the fuck will duct tape do? Oh my god. How could that just be? Oh, god damn it. In real life, that won't be even a choice. How could you even do that? Jesus Christ. God damn it. Guys, we found the helicopter key. Let's go. We're escaping. We're escaping with the helicopter. Heck yeah. Have a nice time, Granny. Have a beautiful day. Well, get the fuck out of here, because this heartbeat is annoying. That. Oh my god. Whoa. Why isn't it starting? Get up. Wow. Whoa. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah, we did it, bro. We did it. We got out, and now we have a helicopter and Granny's old junky car. And then we need a boat. So, next episode, we're escaping with the boat. Because now, in my house, I have Granny's old stinky car. And I have a helicopter, which is awesome. I need a boat either, because I don't feel lazy to swim everywhere. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and notification bell so don't miss another video when I escape out the boat. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.